Namaste, viewers. Welcome to ST Money's Morning News, your weekday business news channel. It is Monday morning, December 16, 2024, and I'm your host, Sunil Thakker of Sunny Talks Money. Let's roll. The stock market highlights from Friday, December 13, 2024. The Sensex and the Nifty staged a remarkable comeback in the second half of the trading session on December 13, closing higher after clawing back from over 1% losses at the opening bell. Benchmark equity indices ended the week's last trading day in positive territory. Market analysts attributed the volatility to the weekly expiry of the Sensex derivatives contracts. The Sensex surged nearly 1,950 points from its intraday low of 80,000, reaching an intraday high of 82,000 in a dramatic turnaround. The morning session slump mirrored losses across Asian markets, which posted steep losses due to a combination of factors, including a stronger dollar, rising US Treasury yields, and disappointment in the Chinese economy. Concerns around foreign institutional investors, FIIs, selling resumed after they sold Indian equities worth rupees 4,572 crores over December 11 and 12. While India's consumer price index CPI inflation eased to 5.48% in November from 6.21% in October, concerns linger over elevated food prices, potentially delaying interest rate cuts by the Reserve Bank of India. All the above mentioned factors combine to drive heightened market volatility, resulting in sudden fluctuations. The 30 shares Sensex, after pairing early losses, settled at 82,133, up 843 points or 1.04% from its previous close. The NSE Nifty 50 ended higher by 219 points or 0.89% at 24,768. Friday ended in favor of the bulls as 41 out of 50 constituent stocks ended in the green, led by Bharti Airtel, ITC, Kotak Mahindra Bank, Hindustan Unilever, and Ultratech Cement. Conversely, Shriram Finance, Tata Steel, Hindalco, IndusInd Bank, and JSW Steel were among the 9 stocks that ended lower. The fear index, India VIX, which gauges the volatility in the market, ended down 1.04% at 13.05. Among the broader markets, the Nifty Mid Cap 100 and the Nifty Small Cap 100 indices ended lower by 0.05% and 0.30%, respectively. Gains in financial services, telecom, IT, FMCG, oil and gas, and auto stocks fueled the recovery, reversing earlier declines. Sector wise, financial services led the recovery with Nifty Bank and Nifty Private Bank rising 0.8%, driven by ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank, and Kotak Mahindra Bank. Telecom provided much needed support, led by Bharti Airtel's 4% surge after Jefferies included the company in its top picks for Asia in 2025, citing sustained earnings momentum due to tariff hikes. IT stocks also extended their rally, with the Nifty IT index climbing for the fifth straight session to a fresh record high of 46,088.90, bolstered by gains in HCL Tech, Infosys, and TCS. Meanwhile, the Nifty Metal Index, which, while off its lows, was down 0.7% amid concerns tied to the US dollar's strength and China's uncertain stimulus measures. Shares of Tata Steel, Vedanta, and NMDC were the ones dragging the metal index lower. In individual stocks, Vodafone Idea share price rose nearly 2% after the company announced a robust capital expenditure plan of rupees 50,000 to rupees 55,000 crores over the next 3 years, aimed at bolstering its 4G and 5G network capacity and coverage. Astra Microwave Products shares surged over 2% after its JV, Astra Rafael, secured a rupees 256 crore project from the Defense Ministry. In the US on Friday, US stocks closed out the trading week near the unchanged mark in a subdued session on Friday. Looking ahead to this week, the US market expects a quarter percentage point rate cut when the Fed meets on December 17 and 18. The Dow Jones Industrial Average fell 86 points, or 0.20% to 43,828. The S&P 500 was flat at 6,051, while the tech-heavy Nasdaq Composite eked out a meager gain on the day as it gained 23 points to 19,926. Brent crude is currently trading at $74.49 a barrel, and gold is rupees 77,250 per 10 grams, while silver is rupees 90,950 per kilogram. Now, for today's outlook for the Indian market. On Friday, the equity market in India witnessed a roller coaster session. On the lower end, Nifty found support around the neckline of the inverse head and shoulders pattern, completing a retest before rallying towards higher levels. Friday's low also coincides with the 38.2% retracement level of the previous rally. Going forward, the trend is likely to remain strong with the potential to reach 25,000 and higher in the short term. On the lower end, support is placed at 24,550. Stocks on radar today: Lupin, Aurobindo Pharma, JK Paper, Navin Fluorine, Afcons Infrastructure, 63 Moons, Biocon, Zinca Logistics Solutions, Reliance Industries, GMM Florida, Godrej Agrovet, JSW Steel, Bharat Forge, Jay Prakash Power Ventures, Premier Explosives, and Navin Fluorine International will be in focus on December 16 today. That's it from me for today. I will see you again tomorrow morning. In the meantime, please do subscribe, share, and like this video. Thank you very much. Happy investing, stay inspired, and remember, it's all about money.